Besotted, unveiled, falling hard, or just tipsy. Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the word, besotted. It's a word that can be a bit tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll understand when and how to use it. Let's get started. Besotted is an adjective that describes someone who is strongly infatuated or in love with someone or something. Think of it as being so enamored or obsessed that you might not think clearly. For example, he was so besotted with her that he couldn't focus on anything else. She was completely besotted by the new book she was reading. Another meaning of besotted is to be very drunk or intoxicated. So, it's not just about love or infatuation, but sometimes about having a few too many drinks. For instance, after celebrating at the pub, he was utterly besotted. She had never seen him so besotted after a party. Understanding the word is one thing, but using it in a sentence can sometimes be challenging. Let's break it down. 1. Talking about love or infatuation. When you notice someone is head over heels for something or someone, you can use besotted. 2. Ever since they met, Jane has been besotted with John. 3. Talking about intoxication. If you're referring to someone who has had a bit too much to drink, besotted can come in handy. 4. After 3 glasses of wine, she was clearly besotted. So there you have it. The word, besotted, can describe someone deeply in love or someone who is very drunk. It's a versatile word that can add a touch of sophistication to your vocabulary. We hope this video has been helpful. Remember to use besotted wisely, whether you're talking about romance novels or recounting tales from a night out. See you in the next video.